How's it going, guys? It's Ray here, doing a little experiment with dry ice. As you can see here, I have a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle of Aquafina, pure water, about half full. Perfect. You need this and some dry ice, pretty much. Hold on, I'll be right back. You want to be very careful with the dry ice. It's regular temperature is 109, negative 109, so it's very cold. It could give you frostbite. So you put it in like so, and then you put the cap on, and it's hopefully blow. Let me adjust the video camera to show you the ground. Put the cap on this, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, here we go. I kind of squeeze the bottle so I have better pressure on it. Let's step away. Make sure you're far enough back so it doesn't hit you. It's ready to expand. Look at it, baby. Give you a little close up. Wasn't that wonderful? I thought it was great.